Assalamu alaikum.
Welcome, Salam.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name is Muhammad Irfan Yousaf.
Muhammad Irfan. And what's the meaning of Irfan?
It's uh, identification of God's love.
Identification of God, law. Okay, so what's about today your mock test like?
It was good. Very the feeling the actual situation which is we face in our actual IELTS test. So it was a great experience.
So, Mr. Irfan, in which module do you feel difficult like?
I think everybody say that writing module is some difficult in writing module, but I think listening module is a bit complicated.
Oh, listening one is like, listening one is the like. And what's the reason behind it you feel difficult?
Because actually we not listen too much in our daily life. We are Pakistanis, and we recently often use and regularly use Urdu language and Punjabi sometimes. And I am from Sialkot, so I speak often Punjabi language, so it's difficult for me.
So, I mean to say like your listening skill is weak. In short.
Yep.
Okay, so do you have any message to dedicate for the NICON student and IELTS students?
Uh, my message is to my all student brothers and sisters that prepare yourself for your IELTS and for your dreams, whatever and whenever you want to do, and whenever you want to go, and be prepared.
Accordingly message about today. So, what's the environment you like?
Yeah, it was very good environment over here. My advice for I prefer my friends to do come here and enjoy that moment and book your mock test by NICON Group of Colleges, and they will provide you some extra classes as well to prepare yourself, to prepare your IELTS for your prepare yourself for IELTS test.
Okay, Irfan, thank you so much.